What's good, YouTube? Quick update, big update. I'm so excited right now. As you can see, the valve cover is orange. I even put orange on. But anyway, I got my lsx454. As you guys can see, it's looking really good. I love it. I might even skip work today. That's how exciting I am. But anyway, got my engine. That was the biggest part of the build. My next step is my transmission, which I'm gonna get anytime soon. Then I'll get my rear end. Then I should have that car almost complete. Hopefully, if I can have all that done by this year, and then next year focus on something else, that would be a big relief. So got my engine, and also down here got the muscle car oil pan kit for my engine. And over here I got the LS engine mount. There's one other mount coming because the car didn't come with it, so I had to order the frame mount, so that's coming. And over here I got 4 bolts for the sway bar, and then I got some brand new bolts for the frame mount. So yeah, YouTube, I'm so excited today. I'm so happy right now. I just want to hear that thing that start right now. So I guess pretty soon I'll have this thing mount on the frame, get the train, get the body done, so I can put it back on the frame, and then we'll keep moving forward. So you guys stay tuned. Hopefully summer 2020 I'll be able to take this car to a car show, my first car show. So yeah, stay tuned, share, comment, like, whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next one.